Alright, so we're going to continue on with our most missed question. So this is going to be most missed number 14. So this one is from quotient rule with tables. So it says the following table lists the values of a function g and h and their derivatives g prime and h prime for x equals 0. And it asks us to find f prime of 0, where f of x equals g of x over h of x. So this is really a quotient rule problem. So we're going to apply the quotient rule first to get f prime of x, and that's going to be low, so h of x, d high, g prime of x, minus high, g of x, d low, which is h prime of x, all over the quantity h of x squared. Alright, so we specifically wanted this at the value 0, so we're going to plug a 0 in for each of those x's we see. Alright, which will take us to here. And then once we're there, now we're going to have to lean on the table to substitute in and get all of these values. Alright, so we'll do that real quick here. So h of 0 is 2. G prime of 0 is negative 5. Minus g of 0 is negative 3. H prime of 0 is negative 2. Alright, and this is all over h of 0, which is 2 squared. Alright, so now we're going to do some cleaning up, and we've got negative 10 minus 6, right, all over 4. So negative 10 minus 6 is negative 16. Negative 16 over 4 is a negative 4. Alright, so in this case, f prime of 0 is negative 4. And again, that was based off the quotient rule, low d high minus high d low, all over low squared. And the table of information that we had there. Hope that helps.